Choo-chin. Yeah. Oh, I did it. That's handy. Look at that, we got one off. We did it! Oh, thank I did that instead of got the grinder out. Holy snuffering. Holy snufferdink. Oh yeah, look at the clearance. With this one, we just got a couple more clarapinis to make, and then, hey, boom. I apologize. Sort of semi-still sitting on the cab, that's good. Well, it turns out I just had to give her a couple swats with the old purse there, and she popped right off. Funny that. Hit her a few times before. I put some heat on her, and she, you know, little heat, little wacky poo, and she popped right off there. But I was beating the hell out of it, you know, the other day when I was working on this shit. And she didn't want to come out, so squirted her with a little poop. So she must have had some time to penetration, but. Would have been nice if I did a little better of a job on the power washing here too, but I apologize for that. Not too bad. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Well. Anyways, we can start figuring out what we need to cut now. I'll get this grill off there and do a couple jasmines. Pull a hole for it. Well, my battery died last night and I got carried away and was just doing stuff, and next thing you know, we got friggin' intercooler and friggin' radiator in there. I was kind of a little bit brain damaged though, because I was trying to put the intercooler on the outside of the rad support. So I notched out down here for no particular reason on both sides, but then realized that that's just simply not going to work, like at all, right? So yeah, but the intercooler, she fits right in there. I just drilled 2 holes in the bottom of the air skull, right into the whit. Drilled 2 holes for the bottom son of a bitches. Welded 2 little bent to the peeny brackets. So she's just a smidgen away, all the way around. Clearance, we call that. And then let's get some light on the situation. I don't know if it's any beknownst to you, but we got plenty of clearance for the radiator with the factory fan. I wasn't really sure. I thought for about 11 seconds that I was gonna have to like put electronic, but there's even more rooms in here than there's in the Gremlin, so that's handy. And diesel conversion mounts there, diesel conversion spoolshless. Just kind of eyeballing up the trunks, make sure they they're totally sitting on the fenders, but I mean there's not a whole lot you can do. Can't raise it up anymore because she's already touching right there where it touches, so that's probably going to wear through and leak. That'd be great. And then this guy here, we just got to like shorten this maybe a couple inches, and then we can plug that guy in there. That'll be awesome. Friggin' put a little length on the steering box antler there, and she's not 100% lined up. You can see the bumpers about touching down yonder, and we're about 3 inch away over here, so she's not, it's the whole cab's got to move over a little bit, but I just wrestling it like a son of a bitch, and then I'd wrestle it this way, wrestle it that way, but the jack lifts it up on an angle, and you move it over a little bit and then set it back down, and still not in the right spot. So quit. Okay, I mean we got to pull it off 11 more times anyway, so I was just having a quick look see. You know what I mean? Quick look, see? It's the kind of type of oh, and I put some friggin' nutserts in the rad sport up here for the what's a peony. It's almost like it was meant to fit in there. The only thing I sort of got left to do, a couple wires, and then put a big like vent scoop furnace plenum on the hood. Okay? We'll just do the furnace plenum hood upgrade for more donkeys. We want as many donkeys as we can, but oh, it reeks in here so bad. Ugh. Intercooler and radiator installed, so that's 11 steps in the right direction. I'm really happy with the fitment of this unit here. That's good. That's good big time. Somebody who was asking about the 83 never got a hold of me, so he told me Wednesday, Thursday. It's Friday, so that was a close one. Hey, holy, you imagine? But yeah, we get that front end sorted out there, and that'll be awesome. But anyways, boys, friggin' let me know what you think about the friggin' intercooler fitment. Eh? We're all about the fitment, custom fitment here in Inwood. Eh? I apologize. And don't forget to check out oneplugguy.com and order your calendars. And you don't want to wait till friggin' July to order your calendar, or December. You want to order it right now, probably. But anyways, boys, smoke cigarettes.